How to use ChatGPT. Instead of Siri on iPhone first, open the App Store on your iPhone, search for ChatGPT and install the official app by OpenAI. Once installed, open the ChatGPT app, and if you have an account already, log in, or if you haven't, sign up with your email. Next, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the top right corner of the screen, click on the plus icon to create a new shortcut search for ChatGPT in the list of actions, and select Start Voice Conversion with ChatGPT. Now go back to the home screen and open the Settings app on your phone. Look for the option Accessibility and tap on it. Scroll down and tap on Touch again. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Back Tap. Here you can see two options: double tap and triple tap. You can choose your preferred option. I am choosing double tap. Scroll down to the Shortcut section and click on the Start Voice EC Conversation with ChatGPT to verify. When you double tap on the Apple logo, you can see the ChatGPT instead of Siri, and that's it.